Welcome, car enthusiasts and luxury aficionados, to a journey into the pinnacle of opulence on wheels. Today, we're unveiling the top 10 super luxury cars of 2024, a collection that showcases the ultimate blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Each of these masterpieces represents the epitome of automotive sophistication, taking the driving experience to unprecedented heights. Prepare to be amazed, intrigued, and maybe a little envious. So buckle up as we delve into an exhilarating ride. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the timeless Rolls-Royce Phantom. Known for its unrivaled luxury and sophistication, the Rolls-Royce Phantom is truly a cut above the rest. It's like a majestic castle on wheels, where every detail, from the hand-stitched upholstery to the star-lit headliner, has been meticulously crafted. Under the hood, it's equally impressive. The Phantom is powered by a massive 12-cylinder engine that ensures a smooth and agile ride. It's not just about power, though. The Phantom's magic carpet ride technology ensures you feel nothing but serenity, no matter the road conditions. And let's not forget about the Phantom's iconic design. It's a blend of traditional elegance and modern sophistication, with a distinctive front grille and a long, imposing silhouette. It's the kind of car that demands attention, yet remains utterly refined. A true masterpiece, the Phantom sets the tone for this luxurious journey. Before we continue, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next awesome video. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts or any topics you'd love to see in future videos. Next on our list is another gem from Rolls-Royce, the Ghost. The Ghost is a veritable embodiment of the phrase, "less is more." Although it's slightly less ostentatious than its sibling, the Phantom, it's by no means less luxurious. It's powered by a twin turbocharged V12 engine that remains whisper quiet, even when you're cruising at highway speeds. And the ride, well, it's as smooth as a magic carpet ride. The interior of the Ghost is a symphony of plush leathers, rich woods, and gleaming metal accents. From the starlight headliner, which gives the illusion of a night sky within the cabin, to the meticulously crafted controls, every detail is a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to luxury. But what makes the Ghost truly stand out is its simplicity. It's not flashy, it's not over the top, it's just pure, unadulterated luxury. The Ghost, indeed a spectral presence in the world of luxury. At number 3, we have the Bentley Flying Spur. This majestic beast is the epitome of power and elegance, turning heads wherever it graces its presence. The Bentley Flying Spur is not just a car, it's a statement. Under the hood, this luxury saloon houses a W112 engine that delivers a roaring 626 horsepower, effortlessly marrying speed with opulence. On the road, it's as smooth as silk, making every journey an experience to be savored. The interior is a masterclass in craftsmanship, with exquisite leather upholstery and finely detailed wood veneers. The attention to detail is breathtaking, from the hand-stitched steering wheel to the ambient lighting that bathes the cabin in a soft, inviting glow. Despite its substantial size, the Flying Spur handles like a dream, with agility that belies its bulk. It's an automobile that offers the best of both worlds, the heart of a sports car, wrapped in an envelope of pure luxury. The Flying Spur, a perfect blend of sportiness and luxury. Fourth on our list is the futuristic BMW i7. This super luxury car is a spectacle of automotive innovation. The i7 is the epitome of BMW's commitment to blending luxury with sustainability. It's powered by an all-electric drivetrain that delivers astonishing speed and silent operation, combined with a range that rivals any traditional fuel-powered vehicle. The design of the i7 is equally impressive. It maintains the classic BMW aesthetic while introducing fresh, futuristic elements that truly set it apart. The sleek exterior is complemented by an interior that redefines comfort and luxury. Think plush seating, ambient lighting, and state-of-the-art infotainment systems. What's more, the BMW i7 is not just about speed and luxury. It's packed with cutting-edge safety features and driver-assist technologies that make every journey a pleasure. From self-parking capabilities to advanced navigation systems, the i7 has it all. The BMW i7, a leap into the future of luxury. Halfway through our list, we present the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, a luxury sedan that embodies elegance and sophistication. The S-Class is a shining example of Mercedes-Maybach's commitment to excellence. Its exterior design exudes opulence, with clean lines and a commanding presence that sets it apart on the road. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful engine that delivers impressive performance, making every journey an exhilarating experience. Yet, the S-Class is not just about power. It's about delivering a smooth, comfortable ride, thanks to its cutting-edge suspension system and advanced driving technology. Step inside the S-Class, and you'll be greeted by a lavish interior adorned with the finest materials and state-of-the-art technology. From the plush leather seats to the high-resolution infotainment system, every detail is crafted to provide maximum comfort and convenience. In the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, luxury meets performance in a harmonious blend that sets new standards in the automotive world. The S-Class, a testament to Mercedes-Maybach's legacy. Landing at number 6, we have the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is not just an SUV. It's the Rolls-Royce of SUVs and a veritable embodiment of luxury on wheels. The Cullinan is a testament to Rolls-Royce's meticulous craftsmanship, which is evident in its hand-stitched leather interiors and customizable detailing. Under the hood, the Cullinan houses a twin-turbo V12 engine that effortlessly delivers over 560 horsepower, ensuring that its performance is as smooth as its design is exquisite. This beast glides on the road, shrugging off any terrain with unflinching poise. The Cullinan's design is a tasteful blend of modern aesthetics and classic Rolls-Royce elements. Its iconic Pantheon grille and Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornaments stand proud, while its contemporary LED headlights and bold lines give it a distinctively modern appeal. In a world of luxury SUVs, the Cullinan stands apart, not merely participating in the race, but defining it. The Cullinan, a diamond in the rough of luxury SUVs. At number 7, we present the Bentley Bentayga, a vision of automotive luxury that effortlessly combines performance and style. The Bentayga is Bentley's first venture into the world of sport utility vehicles, but it carries the marque's century-old legacy with grace and power. Under the hood, it boasts a twin-turbo W12 engine, offering a stunning blend of speed and smoothness that rivals even the most athletic cars on the road. Inside, the Bentayga pampers its passengers with a cabin that's both spacious and opulent. Handcrafted leather seats, state-of-the-art technology, and exquisite wood veneers create an environment that's as comfortable as it is luxurious. And let's not forget about the design. With its iconic matrix grille, sharp lines, and athletic stance, the Bentayga is a head-turner that exudes confidence and sophistication. It's a testament to Bentley's commitment to innovation and luxury. The Bentayga, Bentley's bold stride into the world of SUVs. At number 8, we present the iconic Range Rover. This luxury SUV is much more than just a status symbol. It's a testament to fine British craftsmanship and engineering. The Range Rover seamlessly blends rugged capabilities with a plush, comfortable interior that feels like a rolling 5-star suite. It is powered by a robust engine that delivers impressive performance, whether you're cruising down a highway or navigating rough terrains. With its advanced all-wheel drive system and innovative terrain response technology, the Range Rover can tackle any road condition with ease. Inside, you'll find opulent leather seats, state-of-the-art infotainment system, and a host of cutting-edge safety features, providing an unparalleled driving experience. The Range Rover's design is a perfect blend of sophistication and functionality, with its distinctive silhouette, sleek lines, and commanding presence. In a world where luxury often compromises utility, the Range Rover stands as a beacon, proving that you can indeed have both. The Range Rover, an icon in the world of luxury off-roading. Ninth on our list is the BMW iX. A name synonymous with innovation and luxury, BMW has once again outdone itself with the iX. This all-electric SUV is not just a car, it's a statement. It tells the world that you value both luxury and sustainability. Now let's talk about what makes the iX truly special. Its futuristic design seamlessly blends elegance and aerodynamics, while the spacious interior boasts top-of-the-line materials and cutting-edge technology. The iX offers an immersive driving experience, with its silent electric engine delivering impressive performance and agility. But it's not just about power. The BMW iX is also about efficiency. It's designed to maximize every ounce of energy, making it one of the most efficient luxury electric vehicles on the market. And with its long electric range, you can enjoy the open road without constantly worrying about your next charge. The BMW iX, a beacon of electric luxury. Capping off our list at number 10, we have the Mercedes-Benz EQS. This all-electric luxury sedan is an embodiment of the German automaker's commitment to sustainability without compromise on luxury or performance. The EQS represents a new era for Mercedes-Benz, one that is driven by electric mobility. The EQS boasts a stunningly futuristic design, with a seamless aerodynamic silhouette and an expansive, luxurious interior that captivates with its high-end materials and state-of-the-art technology. The car is powered by a highly efficient electric powertrain, delivering an impressive range and acceleration that rivals even the most potent traditional engines. Its hyperscreen dashboard, a curved screen unit stretching over 56 inches, is a testament to Mercedes' dedication to integrating cutting-edge technology into their vehicles. This is not just a car, it's a vision of an electrified future where luxury and sustainability go hand in hand. The EQS, a symbol of Mercedes-Benz's electrifying future. There you have it, the top 10 super luxury cars of 2024. From the opulence of the Rolls-Royce Phantom to the tech-savvy Mercedes-Benz EQS, we've explored the pinnacle of automotive luxury and innovation. Each car offers an unparalleled fusion of comfort, performance, and cutting-edge technology, setting new standards in the luxury automotive industry. Leave a comment with your favorite car from the list, and stay tuned for more luxury and automotive content. Don't forget to subscribe.